of you that don't, let me introduce you, because Boofetti is a pattern in Temp-tations that's a seasonal one. So when you see Boofetti items sell out, you probably won't see them again. If you do, it won't be until the following year. Boofetti has little cobwebs, little bats, little spicy orange, a little bit of black, little bit of eggplant, and then cute little cobweb finials at the top. They are so screaming cute. They're customer top rated. They are no reorder, and they're chubby belly cauldrons with little feet on the bottom. You're getting 4 16-ounce soup Crocks, and they're on 4 easy payments of $7.95. Tara, I mean, I counted the last time we presented these together. I squealed 3 times. These are the cutest things, and you can do so much more than soup in here, right?
Again, it is our great stoneware. This is our Boofetti. This is one of our seasonal patterns. We only bring this in this time of year. And so I know many, many people love these. What I loved about them was the little cauldron detail, the fact that we have that spider web knob on the top, and then you have those little helper handles here and the feet on the bottom. So if you're doing French onion soups in here, if you're doing little appetizers in here, maybe you're doing our beer cheese. We have a great beer cheese recipe over at Temp-tations.com that works with our today's special value, but you can put it in here too. You can put these through the same paces: the oven, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave, and of course the dishwasher.
Love that. Now the price goes up at the end of the day, the one that you see on your screen, and those 4 easy payments are gone at the end of the day. But let yourself get creative here. That's what this set is for. And here we've got chili with a whole bunch of cheese, because that's how you do it. And we've got cornbread that baked right inside. But come on forward, because now it's snack time. We're going to put out little treats for the kiddos. So we've got candy corn and, oh, some of my favorite candy bars in there. We'll just put the lid on that. And Tara, you know that I could tear up that whole crock right there.
Absolutely.
Are you pro candy corn or anti candy corn?
Oh, I am pro
yes,
candy
corn.
Are you
yes,
kidding?
Ma'am.
I have never met a piece of candy corn that I don't love.
Wait, what have you made?
Well, our food stylists, which are absolutely incredible, did these like cute little dirt cakes, but they're monsters. So look, do you see like the little eyeballs all over it and all the little like cookies and little worms? This is what you can have fun with. And notice we brought it out on our beautiful today's special value lid. Love. So this actually now becomes a serving platter as well. Love that.
Love that too. And we've got some dirt cakes of our own here in the studio because, I mean, you just get creative when you see these, that little chubby belly design. And then that's a great shot to show you cobwebs, bats, and all of the cute little dots and colors there. But that little mini chubby belly cauldron style with the feet on the bottom, I know. Now, this is an expiring price. Price goes up at the end of the day. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 16-ounce soup Crocks, but they do so much more. And there's a great shot of the cobweb finial on the top of each and every one. So cute. I love that. Now, you can place them in the dishwasher when it's time to clean up, but they are freezer safe, oven safe, and those 4 easy payments are gone at the end of the day. So I know these are always popular when we show them, so that's why it's a quick look. K49421. Speaking of popular, last night at midnight in the show with Alberti and Tara, these